Hi everyone, here we've got Huawei P40 Lite 5G, and let me show you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer, and here let's go to your contact list. Now let's choose the one you want to edit and click on Edit Contact. Now let's tap on this camera icon right here, and now we can either take a photo and your device will open the camera app, or simply choose a photo from your gallery. So let me pick this one. Let's choose the one you want to use. And now from this step we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact. We have to place the person in the circle right here. We can of course adjust the size of the image, it's up to you. Okay, I think it's fine. If you are happy with the results, click on the stick icon and click on it again to save. And as you can see, it is immediately applied. Now let's get back. It also appears on your contact list, and you will be able to see it while all incoming calls or text messages from that number. So that's all. This is how to add photo to a contact in your Huawei P40 Lite 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.